You've been grinding on crunches for months, and yet nothing. Not even a hint of definition. Here's the brutal truth. It's not your abs' fault. It's this one stupid habit that's keeping your six-pack completely hidden. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's sabotaging your abs, how to fix it, and a 7-day action plan to start seeing real results without endless crunches or gimmicky supplements. Step 1. Stop obsessing over ab exercises alone. Here's the first harsh truth. No amount of crunches, leg raises, or fancy ab machines will give you visible abs if your body fat is too high. Abs are made in the kitchen, revealed in the gym. You can't sculpt what you can't see. Actionable tip: track your body fat and calories. If you're not in a slight calorie deficit, your abs are staying hidden no matter what you do. Step 2. Fix your nutrition. Most people ignore this, but your stupid habit is simple. You eat more than you burn. Junk, late night snacks, mindless eating, they all add up. Actionable tip: start by removing sugary drinks, processed snacks, and reduce refined carbs. Focus on protein, veggies, and healthy fats. Your abs will thank you. Step 3. Train smart, not just hard. Stop thinking more reps equal more abs. That's a myth. Instead, focus on compound exercises. Squats, pull-ups, push-ups, planks. These burn more calories, strengthen your core, and improve posture, which actually make abs pop. Pro tip: add high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, 2 to 3 times per week to accelerate fat loss. No boring treadmill hours required. Step 4. Core activation over isolation. Your abs won't grow from endless sit-ups if you never engage them properly. Think of it like this: you need quality contractions, not quantity. Actionable tip: learn to brace your core during lifts. Plank variations, hollow holds, and anti-rotation exercises activate your abs better than crunches ever could. Step 5. Sleep and stress are sabotaging you. High stress equals high cortisol equals stubborn belly fat. Poor sleep equals recovery stalled, metabolism slowed. Your abs literally disappear while you scroll on your phone at night. Actionable tip: aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and add simple stress busters, meditation, walks, or a 5-minute breathing routine. Step 6. Track progress and adjust. Abs require patience and tracking. Don't just weigh yourself, measure waist circumference, take progress photos, and note energy levels. Adjust calories, workouts, and recovery as you go. Pro tip: small tweaks every week beat extreme crashes or fad diets. Common mistakes: overdoing crunches, more isn't better, ineffective without fat loss. Skipping nutrition, abs are made in the kitchen isn't a joke. Ignoring cardio or HIIT, some form of fat burning work is essential. Neglecting sleep and recovery, gains happen outside the gym. Expecting overnight results, patience beats shortcuts every time. 7-day action plan. Day 1 and 2, audit your diet. Remove sugary drinks, fast food, and start tracking calories. Day 3, add 20 to 30 minutes HIIT or bodyweight circuit. Day 4, master proper core engagement. Practice planks, hollow holds, and anti-rotation moves. Day 5, focus on sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, no screens, 1 hour before bed. Day 6, full body compound workout. Squats, push-ups, pull-ups, dips. Day 7, evaluate progress, adjust calories and workouts as needed, celebrate small wins. Tip: stick to this cycle for 4 weeks and your hidden abs will start to show. Now, stop wasting time on endless ab exercises. Follow this plan, start tracking, and watch the transformation. Hit like if you learned something new, comment your current struggle, and subscribe because in the next video, I'll show the top 5 moves that shred stubborn belly fat in 10 minutes without a gym.